Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 Start menu not opening after an update. First, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details at the bottom. In the Processes tab, scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. Your screen may briefly flicker, which is completely normal. Once Windows Explorer has restarted, try opening the Start menu again. If the Start menu is still not working, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Windows will now scan your system files and automatically repair any corrupted files it finds. The scan may take several minutes to complete. After the scan is finished, restart your computer and check whether the Start menu is working properly. If the issue still remains, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and enter the following command exactly as shown on the screen. Press Enter and allow the process to finish. Once it is complete, restart your PC again and check the Start menu one more time. By following these methods, you should be able to fix most Start menu issues caused by a recent Windows 11 update. Thanks for watching.